What's up guys, it's Sava with SOS Kitchen, and today we're making tofu bites. I had the toughest time coming up with what to call these because my family calls them tofu balls, but I was told that might not be the most appetizing name for them. This recipe is like nothing I've ever had before. They're crunchy on the outside and the middle is so nice and soft and savory. If you're looking for a new tofu recipe or just something new and delicious, then I'd highly suggest trying these. As always, the recipe and description will be in the box below. To get started, you'll need some extra firm tofu that you've pressed to release some of its water. I usually just set something heavy on top of the tofu and wait 20 to 30 minutes and you'll see how much water comes out. If you use the tofu right from the package, your mixture is going to be way too wet. Slice up some scallions while your tofu is draining. In a bowl, crumble your tofu into small pieces. I just use my hands for this. Now this is where I had some technical difficulties because I thought my camera was running, but it wasn't. I just wanted to show you that I added in some frozen corn and peas along with the scallions we cut up earlier. To that, I'm adding some cracked black pepper, salt, and nutritional yeast. The nutritional yeast is what really gives this its flavor, so don't skip it. The flavor is really savory and almost cheesy. Along with that goes some flour and a pinch of red chili flakes. Use your hands to thoroughly mix everything together and make sure it's not too wet. It should hold together when you squeeze it in your hand. If you need more flour, add another tablespoon. Roll up your tofu mixture into ping-pong sized balls and toss them in some panko. The panko won't really be a thick coating, but you want to make sure you get as much panko to stick to the bites as possible. Roll all of your tofu bites out and then let them sit for at least 10 minutes so that the panko really adheres. In a pot over medium-high flame, heat up about an inch of oil. Once your oil is nice and hot, fry your tofu bites in batches. It should take about 3 or 4 minutes per batch. You want them really nice and golden brown and crunchy. Just a warning, if your oil isn't hot enough, your bites will kind of break up while you're cooking them. As you take out the bites, put them on a paper towel lined tray to drain. When you're ready to eat, squeeze some lime on top of your tofu bites and serve them with some rice, sambal, and a fresh vegetable if you have it. These tofu bites are so delicious and just happen to be vegan. They're a great recipe to try if you're cutting down on your meat consumption, cooking for a vegetarian, or if you're just looking to try something new. Tell your unadventurous friends that they're Asian arancini. Anyways, I hope you love these as much as I do, and please subscribe to Sweet or Savory Kitchen for weekly video recipes with me. Thanks for cooking with me again. Bye!